So let's begin with the first one. To make this, here we have taken a glass jar. We are going to attach all the unused pens. We are going to recycle these. Using glue gun, we are going to stick these all. We have applied a layer of gesso on these. Now we are going to paint these black. So we have attached a butterfly. Now we are going to make a teddy for it. We have cut a foam sheet and we have attached the teddy like this. So this is ready. Let's move ahead. Now for the next one. Here we have taken a foam sheet and a pen cap. A butterfly from it like this. Butterfly like this. We are going to stick the pen cap as an insect of the butterfly. For more details, we are going to attach silver glitter sheets. So similarly, we have made these all. We are going to paint the insect with black color. Cut the wings on a transparent sheet and we are going to attach these on the pen cap. Attach these. Now using glass colors, we are going to paint these wings like this. For the honeybee, we are going to cover the pen cap with yellow glitter sheet, and for more details, we are going to paint its body with black and we are going to attach some transparent sheet wings on it. Like this, we are going to paint the wings with yellow color only. So like this, we have made the honeybee also. Attached a wire and we have rolled green floral tape on it, and we have stick this using Fevi stick. So this is ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.